Assalamu alaikum, karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my delicious spicy Jamaican style jerk chicken. So I'm going to start with a marination, and I have used one large white onion and about 4 stalks of green onion, that's also known as scallions. I'm just going to cut it roughly, just enough to fit in the food processor, and about 50 milliliters of white distilled vinegar and 50 milliliters of soy sauce. A tablespoon of fresh garlic and a tablespoon of fresh ginger. Now, unfortunately, I could not get scotch bonnet anywhere, so I settled with green chilies for some heat. But if you can get that, please do not miss that experience. Some black pepper, olive oil, and clove powder, cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder, some salt to taste, and some thyme. If you have fresh thyme, that's very good. Mine was fresh, but I kept it in the freezer for a while because I could not use all of it, so it's dried, but it's still good. Just going to remove the leaves by pulling it out from the opposite directions, and we're good to go. I'm going to put this in the food processor, and you want to make a nice thick paste. Now, scotch bonnet is a very, very important ingredient in this recipe, but if you're like me, you don't have it, then you still don't want to miss the experience of having a jerk chicken. All right? So we're just going to marinate this for about, you want to do minimum 24 hours. And so I'm just going to coat the chicken with this marination, and then I'm just going to cover it and keep it in the fridge. So this is the following day, and I'm getting ready to make some Pico de Gallo. I've got some cucumbers, green bell peppers, some tomatoes, red onions, and also semi-ripe mango. Now, you don't have to use this kind of ingredients for Pico de Gallo, or you don't have to make one at all, but I really, really love the combination of sweetness and tanginess with jerk chicken. It really, really complements the meal. Some salt to taste and lemon or lime. And for some heat, I like to use a little bit of cayenne pepper. You can use green chili if you want. Then we're just gonna mix it well. And by the way, I have served this meal with Swahili style coconut rice and kidney beans. A total island experience, as I would call it, a Jamaican and Zanzibari. All right, so just mixing, and please make sure you do taste to see if you need to add anything else like lemon or salt. And my charcoal is almost ready, so I'm gonna take you outside and we're gonna barbecue the chicken. So as you can see, so I have used 2 medium-sized chicken and cut it. I have used only the legs, the thigh, and the breast. All right, and I marinated this for about 30 hours. You can go up to 40, 45, not more than 48. Okay, so placing the chicken there. And I just realized that the tray was too high, so I just put it a little lower so I can get a little bit of direct heat. And I also used coconut shell charcoal that I found in the market. It's very interesting. I don't know what's the difference, so if anybody knows the benefits of this, please let me know. So about 7 to 8 minutes, I just flip the chicken. My heat is getting really too high, and I'm not really good in controlling the charcoal. That's not my forte, especially when it's so hot. So I was running inside and just coming outside to check on the chicken to see if it's cooking well. All right, so now it's getting too hot, and I just remove that and put it on top. And by the way, I forgot to mention, when you marinate the chicken, keep some marinade aside that you can use it for basting while you're barbecuing. So I kept about a quarter cup and mix it with some oil, and then you're going to use it for basting towards the end. All right, so now we are almost done, and this is my last 3 minutes. Just basting the chicken with the marinade, and then I'm just gonna flip it and then put the marinade on the other side as well. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want chicken to be too dry. And it's ready, and it smells amazing. And it doesn't look so good here because it's dark and my light was not so great, but I'll take you inside and you can see how beautiful this barbecue chicken looks. So thank you so much for your support, and while you are there, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so when I upload a beautiful recipe you do not miss it. And also do not forget to check out the description box below for the ingredients and the measurements. Have a nice day.